हेलो। जैसे हमने लास्ट टाइम देखा था वेरियस इंटरडेंटल एड्स, आज हम देखेंगे हाउ टू यूज अ फ्लॉस. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ फ्लॉस एज सीन इन द लास्ट टाइम. वन इज स्ट्रिंग फ्लॉस एंड द अदर इज टूथपिक फ्लॉस. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड.
So first we will start with the string floss. This way you have to rotate the string floss in between your fingers, and then you have to place it very smoothly interdentally by moving forward and backward in the interdental area. Once you reach the interdental area, your floss should cover the tooth surface from all the sides, as you can see, and then it should be moved forward and backward to clean all of the interdental area. It should be small amount inside the gum so that the gums also get massaged, but you should not apply excessive pressure so that it should bleed from the gums. So limited amount of pressure, you should move forward and backward, that's it, and cover all of the tooth surface with the floss. This way all of the debris comes out from the interdental areas, and then it should be washed and should be used again. Same you have to do it with a string floss. You have to place it interdentally by moving forward and backward. Once you place it inside in the interdental area, clean it from both the sides, moving ahead, forward and backward, and then press it gently in the gums, and then you have to remove it, and you can see all the debris getting collected. You should wash it and then you can use it again.
जैसे आपने देखा आज हाउ टू यूज फ्लॉस. To use floss is not so important, but to use it properly is very important. Floss use करने से सिर्फ सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होगी, उसको properly use करना भी बहुत जरूरी है.
Kindly follow our channel for more such updates. Thank you.